Humiliation. So I'm coming to you with the Ophiuchus sign reading. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first card you have is Step Out of Your Comfort Zone. Okay, your North Node could be significant. All right. I did get a message in a reading that I did not put out yet. When it came to the North Node and Pluto. Okay, it was messages from Pluto. All right, it has something to do with your death and rebirth, or a death and rebirth. Okay. So moving on to clarify this step out of your comfort zone, we have the alliance. The number 8 could be significant, so something could be significant about strength or having the strength. Okay, and then we have sweet dream, satisfaction, comfortable, lazy day. Okay, so Spirit is saying this is just giving me like leap of faith energy. Okay, you could be saying like 3-9 or 3-9-6 or something like that. 9-6-3 could be significant as well too. But Spirit is saying to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, something could be significant about the dream state as well. All right. So to further clarify this, we have wants you back. All right. So something significant about someone wanting you back. All right. Then we have love on the brain, dreaming, fantasizing, daydreaming, nostalgic. So this could have something more to do with the dream state. Okay. It further clarifies this sweet dreams card. Okay. And to further clarify, we have the divine feminine energy to come out. All right, so, confirmation. So this is a direct message to the divine feminine to step out of your comfort zone, okay? And if I'm also picking up off of this divine feminine card, if you're someone who may you could be someone who may work more out of one side. So say you work more out of your femininity, or you work more out of your masculinity. Spirit is saying to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, at this time, I'm hearing that message too. Okay, but part of this message does involve something surrounding a leap of faith. Okay, so following that, we have here and now. The number 32 could be significant. You could be saying 5 or 55. All right. Something significant about a shift in current energy. Okay. So to further clarify the here and now, we have something about withdrawal, quick awakening, rejection. Okay. So there is something you may need to reject. Okay. I'm picking up here in the here and now. Okay. Something, I don't know why I'm picking up like contract energy. Okay, May is coming into mind for some reason, and I'm picking up Taurus energy. Okay, or something could surround something about a contract or something. I'm picking that up off of this card for some reason. Oh, and then we have the endorsement card too, which talks about bribes, contracts, stuff like that. Okay, so something could be significant about a contract binding, someone trying to bind you, and in the here and now, I'm hearing that as well. Okay, and then we have the number 7. You could be seeing sevens, and we have 34, so 77. All right, so you could be saying 77. All right, the month of July could be significant. July 7th could be significant as well. All right, something could be significant about your 7th house also. Okay, so to further clarify this fake energy here, okay, and two, I'm also picking up that this could be like a warning as well. Spirit is coming through, I'm hearing as well. It's a warning to, I guess, to step back. I'm hearing step back or withdraw, abort mission, something like that. Okay, so we have the first card out is bad karma. Okay, so yeah, something significant. Someone could already be going through karma. Okay, so something about that in the here and now. This is here and now energy for O signs. Okay, or Ophiuchus, if you have where I'm picking up, I'm hearing Scorpio and Sag. I'm hearing Scorpio, Sag, Capricorn are highly significant. That's what I'm hearing. Scorpio, Sag, and Capricorn are highly significant. All right. And then we have fake flexing. Acts rich, flosses money, acts fancy, shows off. All right. So whomever this is fake flexing. Something could also be significant about a bad contract, because this bad karma is falling on top of the endorsement card. So something about a bad contract, and two, I'm getting it off of this fake flexing. All right. Then I'm hearing show money. And then we have divination abuser. All right, so someone could like to pay for magic. Okay, someone pays others for magic. Okay, and there's not knowing that they will suffer karma. Okay, then we have impersonator. So whomever this fake flexer is a impersonator as well. Wants to be you, acts like, dress like, looks like, copies you. Okay, so whoever this energy is a divination abuser who likes to impersonate people. Okay, then we have moves and silence. So whoever this is very sneaky. They could be like a fox energy. I keep picking up off of this moves and silence card. Okay, something could be significant about the LGBTQ plus community, because this woman has like rainbow makeup or something on her face. Okay, so something could be significant about that. Then we have hustling, making it rain, focused on getting money. So someone could be watching you. Okay, someone could have an eye on you, this impersonator. Okay, this divination abuser. Okay, and spirit is also telling you to move in silence as well, collective. Okay. Then we have grudge holder. So whoever this is a grudge holder. Grudge holder came out sideways. So this could be like someone who is just two-faced. I'm getting two-faced energy off of this grudge holder card. And it could be 3 different people. I'm picking up 3 different people, because on here is 3 candles. Anywhere from 3 to 4 different people. Okay. So we have getting readings. So these individuals this impersonator, this fraud is getting readings. They feel like shit. Okay, whomever this is could be a thug or a repeat offender. Okay, I'm picking that up. And then we have trap, and whoever this is trapped. Okay, so next we have Dragon's Horde. The number 12 could be significant, or the number 3. You could be seeing 33. Okay, but it says protecting the future. Something could be significant about blue dragons or a blue dragon. All right, and your destiny. I'm picking up. Okay. Also, you could be seeing 333 as well, or 33. I don't know why I'm hearing 33. Okay, so something could be significant about that, or 66. Okay, blue flame could be significant. Okay, the hurts. All right. So we have bully. So something significant here about a bully. All right. The number 68 could be significant, but it says embarrassment, gossip, unwillingness. Okay. So I'm picking up here that somebody is not wanting to give up or accept defeat. Okay. That's what but you are highly protected. Highly protected at all times. Okay. And then we have self-love. The number 43 is significant. The number 7. Again, I think we had got 77 earlier. But it says self-concern, self-healing, independence. Okay. So basically, the energy I'm picking up here is someone is intimidated by your self-love. Okay. That's just what it is. All right. So then we have Ophiuchus. To further clarify this bully, it's someone who gives fake smiles. Okay, very fake. All right, and like I said earlier, two-faced it. All right, and then we have talking shit. So it's someone who, runs their mouth behind your back. All right. Then we have my way, selfish, stubborn, arrogant, pride, and ego. All right, so that explains it. Okay, so someone who is very egotistical, you know, pride and ego in a way, mad because they're going through heavy karma and they're talking shit. Okay, so that's everything I have for you, Ophiuchus. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I'll talk to you in the next one.